In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through the entire process of setting up your first Google Ads campaign step by step. Google Ads, formerly known as Google AdWords, is an online advertising platform developed by Google, where advertisers pay to display brief advertisements, service offerings, product listings, or videos to web users. Selecting the right campaign goal is essential for achieving your desired results, whether it's driving website traffic, generating leads, increasing sales, or promoting brand awareness. Narrow down your audience based on factors such as location, age, gender, interests, and more to ensure your ads reach the right people. Set a daily budget that aligns with your advertising goals and choose a bidding strategy that suits your objectives, whether it's maximizing clicks, conversions, or impression share. Write compelling ad copy that grabs attention, includes relevant keywords, and encourages users to take action. Don't forget to add eye-catching images or videos to make your ads stand out. Review your campaign settings to ensure everything is set up correctly. Once you're satisfied, click the Launch Campaign button, and your ads will start running on Google's network of websites and platforms.